Welcome to Insight Quest, where we explore the stories that shape our world. Today, we dive deep into one of the greatest crises of our time: how global warming is driving the extreme weather events we're seeing around the globe. Over the past century, human activities, mainly the burning of fossil fuels, have drastically increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to a rise in global temperatures, a phenomenon we know as global warming. Since the late 19th century, Earth's average temperature has risen by about 1.2 degrees Celsius. While this may seem like a small change, the impact on our climate is significant. This slight shift is throwing weather systems out of balance, resulting in more frequent and more severe weather events. Scientists have long predicted that rising global temperatures would lead to an increase in extreme weather events. Now, that prediction is a reality, and the world is experiencing the devastating consequences. In recent years, California has become a symbol of this new climate reality. Wildfires have always been part of its ecosystem, but what we've witnessed recently is unprecedented. The 2020 wildfire season was one of the worst on record, burning over 4.2 million acres, an area larger than the state of Connecticut. These fires were fueled by record-breaking heat waves and prolonged droughts, both consequences of global warming. Higher temperatures dry out vegetation, creating the perfect conditions for wildfires to spread rapidly and unpredictably. In July 2021, catastrophic floods swept through parts of Europe. Germany and Belgium were hit hardest, with entire communities submerged underwater. The death toll exceeded 200, and the destruction was immense. Climate scientists were quick to point out the role of global warming in this disaster. As the planet warms, the atmosphere can hold more moisture, which leads to heavier rainfall. This creates storms that can dump massive amounts of water in a very short time, overwhelming cities and towns with flooding they are unprepared to handle. In 2022, Hurricane Ian slammed into Florida as a Category 4 storm, with winds exceeding 150 miles per hour. It left a trail of destruction across the state, with over 100 lives lost and billions of dollars in damage. Warmer ocean temperatures, caused by global warming, are giving hurricanes more energy, making them stronger and more destructive. At the same time, rising sea levels contribute to higher storm surges, flooding coastal communities with deadly results. These events are not isolated. Across the globe, we are seeing extreme weather driven by the same forces. In Africa, severe droughts are decimating crops and livelihoods. In Australia, heat waves are pushing temperatures past record levels. In South Asia, monsoon seasons are becoming increasingly unpredictable and deadly. The ripple effects are profound. Billions of dollars in economic losses, the destruction of entire ecosystems, and the displacement of millions of people. And as global temperatures continue to rise, the frequency and intensity of these disasters will only increase. So, what can we do? The solution is both complex and urgent. Cutting greenhouse gas emissions is crucial to slowing down the warming of our planet. This requires a global transition to renewable energy, improved energy efficiency, and a concerted effort to protect our natural carbon sinks, like forests and oceans. While governments and industries must lead the way, individual actions matter too. Reducing our personal carbon footprints, supporting sustainable initiatives, and advocating for climate action are steps we can all take. There is still hope. Around the world, people are fighting for a sustainable future. From the rapid adoption of renewable energy to grassroots climate movements, the push for change is growing stronger every day. And while the challenge ahead is immense, so is the potential for positive action. We can still slow the effects of global warming and protect the planet for future generations. The road ahead won't be easy, but with collective action, it's possible to turn the tide on this global crisis. Thank you for watching this episode of Insight Quest. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's continue to spread awareness, take action, and be part of the solution. Together, we can make a difference.